How to log out of Coinbase Wallet account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Coinbase Wallet account. For that, first of all, you need to open your Coinbase Wallet application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this home page. In this home page, you will be able to see the settings icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon, and by tapping on it, you will be taken to this page. Here you need to scroll down to the settings until you find sign out button or the option at the very bottom. This is very similar to log out. You just simply have to tap on the sign out and you will be asked to confirm it. It also says that if you sign out without saving your secret recovery phase, you will lose all your access to your crypto and NFT. You need to sign out only if your recovery phase is stored securely. Otherwise, you will not be able to log back to your account or the wallet. If you have already secured your recovery phase, only then tap on the sign out button below. Once you tap on sign out, you will reach to this page. Here you need to select this I have saved my recovery phase box right here and then tap on sign out now. Once you tap on it, it will take some time and you will be successfully logged out from your Coinbase Wallet account. Now whenever you want to sign into your Coinbase Wallet account, you need your recovery phase and then you need to tap on I have already a wallet option at the bottom of this page. Then you will be asked to enter your recovery phase and then you will be able to log in to your Coinbase Wallet account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.